You calculate that by lumens. How much lumens, what is the efficacy of an incandescent bulb? 18 lumens for every watt. Incandescent bulb is 100 watts. So it's for 18 lumens for every watt. I multiply 100 by 8 and get the total amount of lumens. And that's what we do here.
Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos.
And we're going to connect the LEDs in a series circuit and in a parallel circuit. We're going to connect them in a series circuit. What's supposed to happen to the voltage? When we connect them on what? The current? Same. When we connect them in a parallel circuit, what happened to the voltage?
The voltage remains the same.
On the current? Alright. So we connect two batteries them in a series. So if I am correct, that is what's supposed to happen, what's supposed to happen in series. How much volts is supposed to get?
1 by...
Each of them have 1.5.
1 by 10.
Do the maths. One battery is 1.5. The other battery is 1.5. What will happen? How you put them in a parallel?
One beside the other.
One beside the other. With what? With the negative them connect to each other and the positive them connect to each other. Bump to bump, flat to flat. Yeah. And if you measure across this now, how much you supposed to get? When you connect it this to this to
Ready for sale. See that? And right, plug it in. Lolo! Yeah, show them what you just make.
Married joint, T-joint, and lights. Good morning. I am Miss Angela Campbell.
This is Wilton Johnson.
Yes, Davian Brown here.
The first coming to the training, the first day, I was planning to run away.
And now I think I can take on a light bulb system.
To make one of these, can eventually do it now.
And the second day, I told them that I am not coming back.
Mr. Shim, our teacher number 1, and Mr. Kiri, teacher number 2.
I have a light bulb at my house that don't work for a couple years well. And through this training, I went home and I do the work and get my light up and running. It is as bright as ever.
They make the whole thing look so simple.
But I want to say to young people, grab this, run with it. I went home and I can encourage persons around my community about saving energy.
This program has been one of those good programs.
Very enlightening, and it is indeed was a great honor.
Towards for young people and older people. A lot of persons who did not know how to eventually do soldering.
We appreciate this project so much. It has bring so much enlightening to the community of Princess Field.
Thanks to S.A.C.D.A,
Miss Richie, Tamika, the whole S.A.C.D.A team.
thanks to GEF,
LED project from GEF and SGP. Yes, a big thank you to take this initiative in our community. So I would like to thank Mr. Shim and Mr. Kiri.
With the thanks of GEF for funding this alongside with SGP and S.A.C.D.A. So I just want to give thanks again to the whole team. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to do something like this. Thank you.
Big up SGP, GEF, S.A.C.D.A, UNDP. Big up. The community that supply the parish, and then you got here the parish that supply the country. The country supply the world. We put the thing, we put the local community on the map. Princess Field. You know the thing.